mean, I got distracted by the dog. What's up guys, it's Carlie Hunter here. We're going to do a really awesome move today called Chopsticks. I really like this move, hopefully you guys will like it as well. I'm going to demo for you first. So this move works on a lot of active flexibility, especially in the back leg. So it is a split, but it's a kind of fake split. We can still do this movement without being able to do a full split on the floor. It is a turnout split if we are working towards doing it, and it is as turned out as you can get. So I'm going to take you onto the ground just for a second, just to do a little bit exercise so you understand the engagement in the back leg. If I'm coming down onto the floor and I'm going to lie down into my split, rather than being centered in my split, I'm going to think about just bringing that leg out and lying flat. From this position, what I'm trying to do is show the base of my thighs and my booty out into the audience. So if I'm here, the back leg is squeezing, my glute's going to squeeze as hard as I can, and then I'm going to lift that leg. So this is a good little activation exercise for your chopsticks, so that you understand how to get that leg nice and high at the front. Now, this particular movement is as much a stomach hold as it is the top hip hold. So if I'm sitting into this movement, what I'm trying to do is really find the highest part of my hip, and then I'm rotating my body around that with a nice flat back looking past my leg. When I'm here, I'm going to grab the top of my leg, and what I'm going to do is rotate the base of my hammy, my hamstring, or underneath my leg out into the audience. When we're doing this, I want you to really think about the rotation of pulling it out. And we've got a really tight squeeze in our oblique as we're rolling that. So it's a little bit of a booty tute, if you imagine, as you're rotating the hip up. Now, body position, when I see this as a really common movement fault a lot, is curling of the belly. So what this is going to do is it's going to lose the grip from the belly to the hip. Instead, what we want to think about doing is really over-exaggerating bum out and the squeeze of belly through to the top of our hips, really similar to our hip spin or our gemilla. So coming up again, sitting up and into it, I'm right up into the hip. I'm going to lean away from the pole to try to find it, and I'm going to grab over the top. What I do from that position is straight away show my vajayjay out to the audience. Then I'm going to squeeze the glute to lift it up at the top. You can see I'm opening nice and flat through my back. I'm pulling that top arm, and then to come out, hooking it back on into the pole. Try to make sure that in this movement, everything is engaged. It's not enough to get in there and then just try to lift the legs. You need to lock your thighs, lock your bum, engage the core, flatten the back, pull the top arm, and then we'll hopefully get a nice flat split. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today. Don't forget to hashtag PulseSphere so that I can check out you giving the moves a go, and also don't forget to check out challenges as well on the PulseSphere page. Peace out.